We need to go check on Bubba. Come on.
Let's finish our coffee, Joel.
Take it with you. Let's go check on him.
Let's go. We're coming back to it. Get the rest of our stuff.
You need more towels?
Yeah, come on in. Hey, the
Bubba's still in the shower.
I've only been in here 5 minutes. No.
here.
I thought he was a toad.
Ain't that this morning, Pierre?
Don't be knocking on my head. Easy now.
It sure is. This one's really got us stumped. This is
Look, man, I got my
I
trap
like
door.
those new bills you got on
What
there.
about these are my waterfowl slippers.
That's pretty.
The stomach ache.
Right there's the money spot. This isn't a creek, man. It's a river.
Yeah, if we can put the ducks, we're gonna have the sun coming up over here. We can put the decoys up front here.
We're hunting in Colorado, back at the house. It's been pretty rough this year. Most of our ducks ain't come down here. Come up here to hunt with Chad Westbrook in Colorado, and we're hunting in a creek. It's like a trout stream.
What's that log right there, Gus?
But they got these cornfields around here. A lot of ducks staying in them, feeding on them. And at daylight, they come in these little creeks. So rest and hide and all that like ducks do over there. But this is the littlest creek I've ever thrown decoys out in, I can tell you. This ain't big as nothing. It's gonna be fun though.
I ain't seen the band yet.
Pro staffer Chad Westbrook had been watching these ducks for 2 weeks, and thanks to his scouting, we knew exactly where to be. But it wasn't easy convincing David and Bubba that the ducks would come to this little stream.
All right, guys. Tell you what, I'm gonna scoot down just a little bit. I'm gonna scoot down just a little bit so when the birds, because they're gonna kill most of them right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna let these guys, I'm gonna let 2 shoot, and then
I'm gonna be the bird dog.
all right.
Down, Tyler. Yeah.
Can you help Brian bird dog?
Yeah.
All right.
You want me to go down there?
The next three heads come in.
Hey, you guys, David. Riz, next boss comes in, you guys go ahead, pull straight.
There you go. Nice shot. Back. Is he hung right there? Yeah. He's coming out. He's out. No bad?
Single, right out front.
All righty. All righty.
Got a bunch of new birds up high.
coming. Here they come. Right down the gut, Troy. Let them go. Watch this thing. Watch these. There they come. All right. Got one coming to you. What you think, Dave?
Just lock you up. Bob, I ain't never seen Bubba lost for words. You can't get him to say nothing.
I'm telling you, man. I ain't never done nothing like this right here.
Here we go. Right here.
Here comes the thing right down the middle.
Got him.
There you go.
Hands, a hand.
That's his.
Hey, give me a decoy. Give me a decoy. Big breaks right here. Nice shot.
It's like I will be able to eat tonight.
Right here.
Well, we're gonna have the phone on the bayou.
Colorado. It's not just for elk hunters anymore.
Right here. I got some off my right shoulder right here.
Bubba, how many you done killed?
Kill 7.
Have you?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
There's your done.
Huh?
That the mine truck?
Up right.
Y'all got him. Here they come.
Shoot that duck.
I was standing on one foot the first shot.
Look at that.
Behind us. Oh, Lord. Oh, wow. Give me a shell, Carl. We're out. You shoot. Come through. Other one in there. Come on. Bubba, where's them shell? Talk to him. Talk. Give him back in. He's dead duck. Right here, watch the single, bub. Right over top. Let him come. Here they come. Hold wide on, bub. Well, Fred don't
Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive.
Now, I want you to know, I sat back there 5 minutes
Back where?
and I didn't pull that off. Oh, look at that!
Which one was this? That one?
Last one you shot?
See, that's why I took it away from you. I seen it.
Darn.
Man,
Give me 5, brother.
look at Bub.
Man, I'll tell you what.
Got his phone number on it.
Dad,
Yeah.
996-6492.
It's got his name on it. His name Delicious.
call my mom. She's at this number.
That's awesome.
Well, good. We got one. Y'all said you hadn't killed many with bands this year, have you?
Second band was killed.
I killed 2 bands. The band number is 1667-99023. And
No.
my boy Troy,
No letters, just numbers.
dirt roadie.
Not quite. Morph it, man. We all know what he's got on the man.
David, when I think of Colorado, I think of big elk. I think of mule deer,
Aspen trees.
aspen trees,
Folks
snow.
going snow skiing and
Yeah, we
all
were
that.
walking in here today, and David's like, I don't think I've ever hunted in sagebrush.
that's right. We come through sagebrush over our head this morning. I said, this is going to be a first. We jumped down a ravine. But, you know, we got here, and this, you know, Troy was talking about that earlier. It looks like when you was kids, you know, we was kids back in the day, you see them pictures, Field & Stream, Outdoor Life, these old guys, you know, have their old guns, old hunting coats, come down there, and these little old trout streams. That's about all that thing is. I mean,
Right.
that thing ain't 10 yards wide. I says, man, I don't know where that guy got them ducks, but he didn't kill them right there. You know? But we got here this morning, it's like a keyhole. It's a spot, it ain't 10 yards wide. And
And they coming right down in the middle of it.
it's
right
no
down the
kidding. I
gut.
mean, everybody gets to see, they won't get to see all ducks in water, but I promise you this morning, all together, there's probably 5,000 ducks trying to
Easy,
light
yeah.
right there in that little old hole.
Even when we were trying to set up, I mean, they were
Yeah.
trying to come in.
Yeah.
And you had a 20 gauge
Yeah, I
on
shot-
top of that.
I shot a 20 gauge with 2 3/4 inch steel, and it was plenty of gun. You could have shot duck at 410 right here. It ain't no kidding.
Yeah.
It's that much fun. So, but you'll miss them, you know, when they're like that. The old pattern ain't that big around by the time it gets to them.
That's the excuse I use for turkeys too.
Yeah.
They're too close, man.
That's right. But I mean, at daylight, I don't know how many of them tried to light right there.
Yeah.
We was in here putting out decoys and setting up cameras. Man, I mean, that's as good a hunting right there as I ever seen in my life, ever.
Yeah.
I hunted a bunch of stuff.